If you ever leave me, baby, leave some more.
Stop it! Let me see that.
'Cause it would take a whole lot of meditation.
Why'd you move here?
My dad had an affair. My mom literally caught him in the act.
That's horrible. If you love someone, you should never hurt them. Never.
Was he bullied or something? Did he even know the kids he shot?
Yeah, you got the wrong guy, Gus.
Maybe he's in denial.
Maybe he's psychotic.
Good people don't just have a bad day and start shooting people.
Maybe he wasn't a good person.
Maybe it's those meds your dad gave me. They do that, you know.
Do you think about sex a lot?
I think about one girl in particular. Your daughter. I jerk off thinking about her. A lot.
I'm not comfortable with you talking about my daughter, Tate.
Don't you want to know what I do to her?
I'll never be your mother's favorite. Your daddy can't even look me in the eye. Ooh, if I was in their shoes.
What did you do to him?
I just convinced him to leave us alone for an hour or so.
Tate, what did you do to him?
I didn't do anything bad.
Some guy, but they're just by yourself and they can't understand.
What are you doing in here?
Just listening to music, Dad.
You need to leave, Tate. I'm sorry. You shouldn't be in here, and I think you know that. Please.
I love you, Violet, and I want you to be happy and free. We can be together forever.
You want us to commit suicide?
Yeah. Like Romeo and Juliet. Something's changed in you. Toward me. You're distant. Cold. No! Are you scared now?
Tate, please, I don't want to die.
It's too late for that. I have to show you something. Open your eyes. Do you believe in ghosts?
You knew you were dead.
Yeah.
You murdered people, Tate. Kids.
Why would I do that? Why would I do that?
I used to think you were like me. You were attracted to the darkness.
I'm sorry.
Tate, you are the darkness.
No.
Before you, that's all there was.
I believe that. I love you, Tate. But I can't forgive you. I can't be with you. I won't be with you.
What are you saying?
I'm saying go away.
What? No, don't do this.
Go away, Tate.
You're all I want. You're all I have.
She'll never talk to you again.
I'll wait. Forever if I have to.